Are you studying English every day?
Do you have an English study partner?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about studying English together.
Let's improve our English together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Today's lesson will help you learn useful English for studying with a friend.
Hi, are you ready to study English today?
Hi, yes, I'm ready.
Great! What would you like to practice first?
I'd like to practice speaking.
That's a good idea.
I want to speak English more confidently.
You'll improve with daily practice.
I hope so.
How do you usually study English?
I watch English videos every day.
That's helpful.
I also listen to English podcasts.
Excellent. I like reading simple English books.
Do you write new words in a notebook?
Yes, I do.
I should start doing that too.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Okay.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is cooking.
Great answer.
Thank you.
Don't worry about making mistakes.
I'll do my best.
That's the right attitude.
Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English.
That's normal. Really? Yes, everyone makes mistakes while learning.
That makes me feel better.
Just keep practicing every day.
I will.
I'm sure you'll improve.
Thank you for encouraging me.
How often should we study together?
How about 3 times a week?
That sounds perfect.
Let's practice listening, speaking, reading, and vocabulary.
Excellent plan.
We'll help each other improve.
Yes, learning together is more fun.
I can't wait for our next study session.
Me too. Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for studying English together.
Practice listening and speaking English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this lesson.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.